Hi, friends! Today's quiz is about amazing birds. Are you ready? Do geese fly in a V shape just to look cool? Is it O or X? The answer is X. They fly in a V to ride the air made by the bird in front and save energy. When crossing a wide sea, does a certain bird keep flying for days and nights without ever landing? Is it O or X? The answer is O. Some migrating birds fly for days and nights without landing to cross a wide sea. Even though a woodpecker bangs its head against wood all day, is its head perfectly fine? Is it O or X? The answer is O. A woodpecker's head is built to take the shock, so it stays fine even after pecking all day. Does a baby bird need its mother to crack the egg open so it can come out? Is it O or X? The answer is X. A baby bird pecks the shell open and comes out all by itself. Is a crow smart enough to use a stick as a tool to get food out? Is it O or X? The answer is O. Crows are very clever and even use sticks as tools to dig out food. Does a baby bird break the hard egg shell with a little horn on the tip of its beak? Is it O or X? The answer is O. A baby bird has a tiny horn on its beak tip and uses it to peck its way out of the egg. Does a bird have to flap its wings nonstop to stay up in the sky? Is it O or X? The answer is X. Birds like eagles spread their wings and ride the wind, floating without flapping. Since a chicken is a bird, can it fly up from the yard onto a high roof? Is it O or X? The answer is X. A chicken has wings but can only flap up briefly. It can't fly high or far. Does a magpie remember the face of a person who bothered it? Is it O or X? The answer is O. Magpies are clever and remember the face of someone who bothered them, recognizing them later. Do all birds build their nests only up in trees? Is it O or X? The answer is X. Many birds build nests on the ground on cliffs or even in underground burrows. You did great today. See you next time. Bye.